Welcome to another episode of the Birds of Squalor vlog. Welcome into our lair as we do things with music and people and alcohol. Forbidden drink of the people. I got new glasses today, so as long as I avoid getting punched in the face, should be pretty good.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
So, the knob keeps falling off, and from what I've learned is that if you slightly separate this to make it wider, it'll grip better. Oh, hi!
So good.
Oh, look! It's Metal Billie Eilish!
Uh-huh.
How bad is your
Yeah, that's what they call me.
up right now?
Gets pinched and like I can't walk up or downstairs. I go to him, he just like pops me like 10 places and then he's like, alright, you're good. And I'm good for like 4 or 5 months.
Stop walking up and downstairs.
Yeah, that's it. That's all I gotta do. I'll just call you every time I need carried. Just Jamie, staircase. I'm gonna sit down for 2 weeks.
I don't know, you gotta keep your back straight, right?
What was that guy? Didn't you say a charter guy broke his back standing up? Remember, this was like years ago. You were on the phone with a I'm sure it was you.
Every time.
Should we work on
Jack, you going to Florida sometime soon or something?
April. In April.
April?
I'm preparing.
Got your tan on?
Got my tan. Did you see this farmer tan, buddy? It's probably more red than
Hashtag Midwest Proud. So many of you don't know this, but we actually have a gay person in the band.
What? What happened?
Jamie,
Yes.
how was practice today?
Amazing. Felt so good.
Joe, you concur with that?
No, I haven't played in 2 weeks, so no, I'm rusty.
2 weeks and Joe's drunk, so practice was not good. Chris, how was practice?
To say the least, this is the worst amount of Australians I've ever seen in one room.
Your opinion on practice tonight?
I'm sweating.
It's a good idea.
This right now is the guitar team versus the rhythm team. Evenly matched.